question. Looking back at your journey in JBIT, what was the core reason for you to join the media club?
Well, my core reason for joining the JB Media Club was in my second year, I always had this desire to publish a college magazine. And the college has given me a different opportunity, not about a college magazine, but to publish a newsletter. Well, even that opened a different way of thought process for me. So, my journey, it has started. I started to improve as a writer, as a team leader. So in JB Media, it made my dream come true. It has given me the opportunity to become the lead of newsletter The Bytebard. So that was my core reason.
So I started the journey in the media club as a normal member in the media club. So going through that, we have been having these categories as radio and newsletter and technical team. So I have taken the position as radio head, and when I was the radio head, I was contacting the juniors and making them passionate about working with us. That was then I have got to know that I have become the member of the media club, and I have learned a lot from that.
When I was joining media club, I thought that I have to be a member in media club. Soon after, I am appointed as a technical team head. So that moment, I decided that I have to improve my skills. I have to build a team and encourage them, process them. So team collaboration, everything I have to build. So that stage.
How was being part of Media Club influenced your potential growth of career aspirations? My personal growth in JB Media Club, it shaped a lot of things in my personality. One thing, the first priority is I have learned to work under pressure. We have to submit our newsletters on time. And sometimes there would be delays because of the team, and even because of me. I even procrastinated sometimes. And there used to be a lot of pressure from the officials in the college. So I had to take care of the team, and by God's grace, we have published almost 7 newsletters till now. That's the one thing, and really clear. And that's God's grace, I should say, and also my team effort, which is behind that. And I miss them today a lot. So yes, that's the reason. And second one is, I got an opportunity to enhance my communication skills. I interviewed Mr. Jayesh Ranjan. He is an IAS officer, and secondly, I even interviewed some delegates from foreign countries. So that I'm really privileged to be in JB Media.
Okay, so coming to the experience that led me for the career is, I have got to know about the decision making skills and how the interpersonal skills, how they influence the future. I have learned about the mutual connections and the mutual communication between the members in the organization, and I have learned how to lead a team, segregate the personal things and how to segregate the organizational things.
It's a great experience for me being part of JB Media. Before JB Media, Aditya is different. After JB Media, Aditya is different completely. Before I was joining Media Club, I have no idea how to behave in a professional environment, how the process goes on in an organization, everything. While working in JB Media, I have learned many professional things which will definitely helpful for me in the future. And future is very we have to go so far. Every lesson in JB Media, it will impact me greatly.
Lastly, what message would you like to leave for your juniors as well as the one who will be taking your place? Well, the message I would want to give them is always encourage the students, your juniors, and secondly, you're always the best. See, we were the people who have been from the beginning, but you people who are going to come into who are going to come into our place, you are the reason which has taken JB Media to a level where everybody knows its name now. So I really, really appreciate you guys. And there is nothing more that I can say because you're always perfect. You work with coordination, you submit everything on time, you know everything, and I believe the only thing is never lose hope. Despite of the humiliations, despite of so many things, we have come forward. We have come forward. So I believe never lose hope, be persistent, be consistent, and you are the best.
So coming to the juniors, that I'll say that they have to be patient and they have to be so passionate about learning the new things in the organization, like in the club. So since this is a club of students, they have to learn how to contact with every student, every person that they are working with. And I'll say that if there are when the newcomers are entering into the club, we have to welcome them with a warm heart and we have to make them feel secure in the club so that the club grows and flourishes.
Not only the one who will take my place, I will give a good advice to all my juniors. My best advice is do work not just for the club's sake, do it for yourself. You are working here to improve your skills, not just for the club. It's not like you have to do individual work. I'm saying that improve yourself while working in a team. That's my best advice to juniors. Whoever some will show the arrogance behavior in club, so don't do that. When you are an organization, it's almost like a family to you. It will carry great memories from the club.